final honorable mention, again, bet you didn't see this one coming, the Miami Marlins. They've won 2 of their last 3 series, including against the surging Angels and the surging Rays. Max Meyer leads the pitching, which is not necessarily the best thing when you look at his stats. They really need some other pitchers to step up. Calling Edward Cabrera, Sandy Alcantara, I don't know. Connor Norby, though, he is looking like he has some star potential. He's hitting .370 over the last 2 weeks. And David Stearns, if you are watching this, which I don't know why you would be, you should probably get back to work. But if you are watching this, please trade for Kyle Stowers for the Mets, because I would love to see him in center field in Queens. They have tough series coming up against the Padres and the Giants. Again, a good opportunity to see if they can sustain this.